if implemented through joint regional platforms. Noting the evolving nature of transnational crime, a regional approach to planning, budgeting, and execution of jointly agreed measures would significantly improve the efficiency of our response actions. We need to continuously interrogate our laws to ensure that they are fit for purpose and capable of cross-country implementation. And I'm glad that this conference has provided an avenue to discuss these matters and to ensure that criminals do not use our borders as a shield against justice and accountability. Within our own East African community, harmonization of laws relating to illicit financial flows have thus far facilitated the surrender of seized gold here in Kenya back to Tanzania, to mention but just one example. Such measures will enhance the East African region's strategy for combating money laundering, countering terrorism financing, and countering the proliferation of cross-border crimes. Our cooperation and collaboration with each other should lead to increased mutual legal assistance and extradition requests, as well as enhanced formal and informal channels of communication for efficient and effective investigation and prosecution of transnational organized crimes. Additionally, sharing of information and intelligence among law enforcement agencies should also be strengthened through the establishment of a regional database. So, ladies and gentlemen, as I conclude, I want to once again thank the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions. I want to thank the Indian Ocean Prosecutors, the East African Association of Prosecutors, for graciously hosting this conference. May this assembly be one that leads all of us to build a long-term strategy for dismantling criminal enterprise and create a platform for a crime-free future. And I conclude by saying, ladies and gentlemen, that any system is as good as the people who run it. And as we look at ourselves, we must also look at ourselves from a point of integrity. Because yes, we are prosecutors, we are magistrates, we are presidents, but do we do as we say, or do we say and do and close our eyes when it's... Anyway, I don't want to go there. You know what I'm trying to say. We can only be as good as we are. So mine is to pray that we become people of integrity. Because without integrity, you cannot uphold a criminal justice system. Without integrity in prosecutor's office, you cannot deal with the issue of corruption. Without integrity in our courts, without integrity in our government officials and civil servants and politicians, you will not succeed in this battle. Integrity is the key. And we need to be able to look at ourselves straight in the eye. You know, you are independent, but I'm sure you should be able to tell this man if you think he is corrupt. One be. Yeah. You know me, if I say, he'll say I'm interfering in his office. But your colleagues can tell you. You see? And then judges also look at each other in the eye. You know each other. You know what you do. Yeah? Don't hide behind your independence. You know? Talk to each other. That's part of learning. If you know your colleague is also not following the right path, it's your responsibility to point them out. Anyway, I wish you all the very best. I know you will succeed in your endeavors, and may this assembly be one that leads us to build together a long-term strategy, as I said, on how we shall work together, how we shall succeed in this battle together. And ladies and gentlemen, this is not only important, but it is a must. if our continent of Africa is to achieve sustainable and equitable social economic development, and indeed to truly join the league of developed nations with an honest, transparent, judicial and legal system. May God bless you all. Thank you very much.
Na tugacokereria yuma meria President Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta. Na tugicokereria ni ati Governor wa Kitui Charity Karukingiru na murunawe wa Makueni Kivutha Kibwana ni matetetie itua ria mutongoria wa Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka ria kuma ngwataniro-ini ya Azimio la Umoja. Maroria Kalonzo agie na murugamo wikideire wa kiuteti makiongerera ni makumuiguithia acoke ngwataniro ya Azimio
Makeria mushemani-ini wa kiuteti tauni-ini ya Machakos atongoria aya ni matetetie Kalonzo ni undu wa itua riake ria kuga ni ararugama president.
I have been in government and I know the power of chief minister. You are the one in charge of the entire government, all the ministries, from water, from energy, from infrastructure, from who you are the one in charge. If you are in charge of government, yako ni kupelekea president umwambie hii ndio tunataka, unaweza kukataa hiyo position namna gani? Ukisema unataka hii ya deputy.
The message to Stephen is we are in Azimio, the community is in Azimio. Please come back to Azimio when there is time. When there is time, underlined. When there is time, so that we can work together, because we want the community to be part of the win.
No na thegia wa murugamo uria Kalonzo oete ni meranire kumukinyira na kugeria kumuiguithia agarure meciria niguo gutigirira taruriri rwa ikamba matina itariria maronoria.
Tutamupigia simu akija, tutakuwa na furaha. Tulipoteza Mutua, this fight joy in Mutua kuenda. Mimi nataka kila mtu tuwe ndani. Serikali ni kubwa, serikali ya baba itakuwa na positions kwa kila mmoja wetu, na tutapewa kazi na tutapewa resources.
And we will do whatever it takes to tell our community to stay in Azimio, because that's the winning group.
Tutaambia watu wetu nini? Na mjue mahali tumefika, hakuna kurudi nyuma. Where we have reached, if you have found yourself on this side of the table, you know you will not be accepted on the other side. Kwa hivyo kama ni kiumana
Atongoria aya ningi ni maiguanire kunyitanira mihango-ini ya kampeni ta ahuraniria aria mari rungu rwa iburi ria Azimio One Kenya niguo gutigirira ni mahotana na oho kumathira Odinga kura cia president. Gerifotera Inoro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.
Asante sana.
Gikundi kimwe kia aikari a mathira magitongorio ni ama MCA eri marendekithia MCA wa Konyo eri kwa Mobi kurirukia federa kiama kia UDA kuhuranira giturwa kia mubunge thutha wa Rigathi wa Gachagua kwamurwo gutuika mutirithia wa William Ruto githurano ni kia mweri wa kanana.
Na muthenya wa ira kiama kirarekereria marua kirauga andu ari othe mekwenda kuhuranira giti kiu ma apply kana maikie mateta na nigetha nominations ciekwo. Ni undu woguo muthenya wa umuthi ni nditairi Kimwangi wa Mumbi ndoka gutangatha ati ni gukorwo ngihuranira giti kiu kia mathira, na kuringana na uria kiama kiraugire ni ati aria me interested guthie nominations maikie marua na maraheana deadline. Koguo ndi haha ngitangatha ati ndi umwe waria megukorwo makiikia marua macio kuhuranira thiini wa nomination nigetha nduike muhuraniri wa gite kia bunge mweri kenda mweri wa kanana.
Nyeri county ni koretwo hetwo awards nyingi na imwe ni iria tuteithiririo muno ni Mheshimiwa wa Mumbi. niĩ ta MCA wa Rũgũrũ nĩ ngũnyitĩrĩra Mheshimiwa wa Mũmbi na kura yakwa na arata akwa na andũ aitũ nĩ kura harĩ Mheshimiwa wa Mũmbi
General. Nyarĩ Secretary General he maũndũ maingĩ mũno County Assembly ya Nyeri benefitite kũhĩtũkĩra gwake. Na koguo na twarorwo nani ndingĩrora niĩ ndirĩ na thĩna kũhe wa Mũmbi kura yakwa na family yakwa na kũmwethera nyingĩ kuma kũrĩ andũ a iria-inĩ. Na andũ a iria-inĩ ithuĩ tũrĩ andũ a kwenda wĩra ũrutwo. Na mawĩra macio tũrenda mawĩra marutwo nĩ mekũrutĩka through kũhĩtũkĩra Eric wa Mũmbi arĩ MP witũ wa Mathĩra. Na koguo ta kĩama kĩa UDA bado no tũkwenda kũgĩa mũndũ aggressive na mũndũ kwenda gũthiĩ na thibidi nĩgetha kĩama kĩa UDA tũgĩe na candidate mwega ta wa Mũmbi.
Andũ aigana ũna nĩ marerĩkana maya gũkorwo mahatĩte matigari-inĩ ma nyũmba ĩmwe ĩrĩa ĩmomokire kĩroko kĩa ũmũthĩ itũũra-inĩ rĩa Kĩhunguro Ruiru barabara-inĩ ya Eastern Bypass. Mĩhang'o ya ũhonokania no ĩrathiĩ na mbere ũkĩrĩkana nyũmba ĩno ĩrambĩte kũmomorwo nuthu gwĩtĩkĩria waramia wa barabara ya Eastern Bypass. Na nĩtũgũthiĩ na mbere na gũkũmenyithia mangĩ na maingĩ kumania na mwena ũcio Wanjikũ wa Kĩmani nĩarĩkĩtie gũkinya kuo na nĩegũkorwo agĩtũmenyithia mangĩ mahinda-inĩ matathiĩte mũno. Reke twambe tũmũke hanini.
Introducing a new way to earn cash every time you buy airtime. Simply dial *487*2#. Buy airtime, pay for electricity or water bills for you or someone else, and get paid papo hapo. Usinunue airtime na tokens bure bure tu. Earn instantly with *487*2#. Dial *487*2# now.
Ukete kuona mũndũ ewe
niĩ nĩ wĩ
maũndũ mothe nĩ mega
maũndũ mothe me sawa ũracaria ũ
no mũnene andũ othe nĩkĩ maragwĩta Prithvi nĩ nickname kana nĩ angĩtwo te Prithvi harĩ ũndũ tarĩ mwega
ndirauga watu itwe na mwana hanini
mathikundugura
harĩ ũndũ tarĩ mwega
ndirauga watu itwe na mwana hanini
mathikundugura ni ndurade busy ever
ndũrĩa mwana mathane